In this video, I will show you how to add glow effect to image in CapCut. So I will show you two methods on how to add the glow effect to image on your CapCut. So the first method, you can add the glow effect to object. So after you open the CapCut like this, I'll go to this text, I'll click on this plus button. So now here is my text. So I'll use this text as an object. So select the text, go to this option and delete all the text. So now I'll type in a full stop. So now here is the full stop. I'll increase the size. So go to this section and increase the size. I'll increase the size of the full stop. So after you increase the size, it will give you a shape. So now as you can see now I get this cycle shape. If you want to add the glow effect to it, just select it like this and then go to this text basics, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, click on this glow. Under the glow, so now click on this glow section and then click on this color. So here you can go ahead and choose the color you want to add to the object. So as you can see now I add this color. So scroll to down and increase the range. So you can increase the range and then you can increase the intensity. Now thickness. Thickness is the intensity. Range is the effect to this object. And if you want to add the glow effect to the image as well, you can go to this media, import your image. After you import your image like this, select the image and then go to this video, remove background and click on this auto remove. So it will remove your background. After the background has been removed for the image, all you have to do is click on this section, stroke. So after you click on this stroke like this, as you can see now, after you click on the stroke, so select this one. After I select this one, now I have, as you can see now, stroke for my image. So scroll to down and change the color. Click on this color button so you can change the color. After you change the color like this now, so you can click on this set size. So here you can resize the, as you can see now, the glow. So you can resize it or you can take it down or up. So here you can increase, as you can see now, the opacity of the glow as well. So after you finish, that's the only way you can be able now just to add the glow effect to image. There is no way to add the glow effect like for the object, but you can just use this method to add the glow effect for your image. And that's it. After you finish customizing, now you can go ahead and use the image with the glow you added. So just increase the size and decrease the size, and that's it.